With me, Iputu Adrian Aryaduta. And with my partner.
And I, Rahma Andini.
Today, we will focus on the Wearpark uniform, specially designed for cadets of the Technical Department at Polytechnic Bumi Apel.
As future marine engineers, wearing the Wearpark is a crucial part of your daily routines, both in practical training and fieldwork.
The Wearpark is more than just a uniform. It's a safety tool that protects you in hazardous environment, while respecting professionalism and discipline expected of Polytechnic Bumi Apel.
Let's discuss its importance,
proper usage, and maintenance to ensure your safety and success.
Purpose of the Wearpark uniform: protections designed to shield you from risks such as heat, oil spills, sharp objects, and machinery hazards. Visibility: reflective strips makes you easily identifiable, especially in engine rooms, workshop, or low light conditions. First, helmet.
Helmet protect the head for potential impact, falling object, or electrical hazard in the workplace.
Second, safety glasses.
Safety glasses shield the eye from dust, debris, or chemical risk of eye injury.
Third,
Gloves.
Gloves provide protections for the hands against sharp objects.
Fourth,
Boots. Safety boots protect the feet from the heavy impact, punctures, or slippery surfaces. Always wearing the complete uniform, including helmets, safety glasses, gloves, and safety boots if required.
In conclusion, the Wearpark uniform for technical department cadets is a critical safety measure. By wearing it correctly, maintaining it properly, and adhering to safety guidelines, you are contributing to a safer and more productive environment.
Thank you for your attention and commitment to upholding these standards. Stay safe, professional, and proud as representative of Polytechnic Bumi Apel.
Polytechnic Bumi Apel,
Superior, victorious, global. Thank you and see you next time.